Kayla Itsines has changed the fitness world forever, igniting a movement towards empowerment and wellness. From her early days in Adelaide, Kayla's ardor for health sparked a transformative journey for countless women. Her bikini body guides introduced high-intensity workouts that cater to every fitness level, making fitness accessible. With the incredible success of her guides, the Sweat app emerged, offering diverse training styles from top trainers. Kayla stands as a beacon of body positivity, urging women to find strength and confidence from within. She emphasizes sustainable changes over fleeting fixes, guiding individuals towards lasting wellness and mental well-being. In her books, like the Bikini Body 28-Day Guide, Kayla unveils comprehensive strategies for achieving health goals. Her vibrant online community inspires and uplifts those on fitness journeys, fostering connection and motivation. With over 15 million Instagram followers, Kayla shares transformative stories that resonate and empower her audience. Join the movement and discover the strength within you, just like millions of women inspired by Kayla.